They weren't just unveiling prototypes at CES 2026. For the first time, humanoid robots from global leaders performed complex tasks with unprecedented dexterity, mobility, and adaptability right on the show floor. Some moved, corrected themselves, and responded in ways even their creators hadn't fully anticipated. By the end of this video, you'll understand why experts are calling this the tipping point for embodied AI. These aren't distant concepts. They're machines designed to work alongside humans, in factories, homes, and beyond, and they're advancing faster than anyone expected. The real question: how soon will they become part of everyday life? CES has always pushed the boundaries of consumer technology. In 2026, the spotlight shifted dramatically to humanoid robotics. Forget bigger screens or smarter appliances. The stars of the show were full-bodied robots from Boston Dynamics, LG, Unitree, Richtech, and dozens more. Massive pavilions, like the K-Humanoid Alliance's Robot Pavilion in North Hall, displayed live demos of robots walking, manipulating objects, recovering from slips, and even interacting with the crowd. Visitors and engineers alike were buzzing. This wasn't scripted theater. These machines were showing genuine progress in agility, precision, and autonomous decision-making. Here are some of the most impressive humanoids. Boston Dynamics Atlas. Hyundai Motor Group Next-Gen Atlas made its public debut, demonstrating fluid whole-body manipulation, dynamic balance recovery, and industrial tasks. Engineers noted it adapted mid-motion in ways they hadn't fully predicted. LG Celluloid, a home-focused humanoid with 7 degrees of freedom in each arm and multi-fingered hands. It handled fragile objects with ease, navigated crowded spaces, and integrated with smart home devices. Unitree H-Series. Known for lifelike mobility, these robots sprinted, jumped, and navigated obstacles at impressive speeds, learning optimal paths in real time. Richtech Dex. A mobile service humanoid performing commercial tasks with stability and AI-driven responses, responding to changing environments in ways the creators hadn't fully scripted. Experts on-site agreed. Hardware and AI are finally converging in ways that feel production-ready. What powers this new generation of humanoids? End-to-end AI and perception. Vision systems and reinforcement learning let robots plan complex actions, adapt to unpredictable environments, and learn from real-world data. Some behaviors were entirely emergent. Even engineers couldn't trace them to a single line of code. High-performance hardware, electric actuators, lightweight designs, and powerful GPUs allow human-like speed, strength, and precision. NVIDIA and other specialized robotics platforms are accelerating this performance. Real-world training pipelines. Many demos relied on simulation to reality transfer, allowing robots to refine skills through millions of virtual trials before stepping onto the show floor. One Boston Dynamics engineer said, "Atlas isn't just stronger and faster. It's thinking in ways that bridge the gap to practical deployment." This combination made CES 2026 feel like the moment humanoid robotics moved from hype to tangible reality. The show floor delivered jaw-dropping moments. Atlas recovering mid-fall on uneven terrain, continuing its task instinctively, almost like human reflexes. LG Celluloid handling fragile objects while navigating crowds, showing a level of safety and finesse previously unseen. Unitree robots sprinting, jumping, and adjusting paths on the fly, adapting in real time to obstacles and human movement. Richtech Dex performing service-oriented tasks, reacting dynamically when a tray was nudged or objects were shifted unexpectedly. Visitors didn't just watch. Many interacted directly, testing responsiveness, creating unpredictable scenarios. The energy was electric, applause mixed with awe, tinged with unease. CES 2026 wasn't just a gadget showcase. It signaled major shifts. Commercial viability. Pilots in warehouses, hospitality, and homes are expanding, with scaled production planned for 2026 to 2027. Global competition. South Korea, China, and the U.S. are racing, lowering costs and accelerating adoption. Broader implications. Robots are starting to augment human capabilities, reshaping labor, healthcare, and everyday life, while raising questions about ethics, safety, and long-term integration. This event revealed a future where humanoids aren't distant concepts. They're increasingly capable, autonomous collaborators. CES 2026 proved we're at an inflection point. The humanoids weren't perfect, but they were undeniably capable, moving, thinking, and responding with a level of autonomy and grace that felt groundbreaking. The trajectory is clear. Rapid iteration in AI, hardware, and manufacturing is bringing practical, everyday robots closer than ever. We're not just witnessing evolution, we're entering the era of embodied intelligence. If you're fascinated by the rise of robotics and AI, the breakthroughs, demos, and what's coming next, subscribe and turn on notifications. The humanoid revolution isn't waiting for next year's CES. It's happening now, and it's moving faster than most people realize.